Why did you hang up the phone on me? So today we're going to learn this in French. We're learning how to hang up the phone in French. So you could talk about hanging up the phone on someone, your ex, maybe the 100 scammers that are calling you. Yeah. The first thing before you learn how to hang up the phone, you have to pick up the phone. So let's learn the verb to pick up the phone. Décrocher. J'ai essayé de l'appeler, mais il ne décroche pas. J'ai essayé de l'appeler, mais il décroche pas. Now we're learning how to say hang up the phone. So this verb is raccrocher. 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 Elle a raccroché sans dire au revoir. I want to learn how to hang up the phone on someone. Well, here you would say raccrocher au nez. Au nez. Doesn't that mean nose? Yes. Hanging up the phone on someone's nose. And I always picture my phone slamming into someone's nose. Here are some examples. Il m'a raccroché au nez. Tu m'as raccroché au nez en plein milieu de ma phrase. Tu m'as raccroché au nez en plein milieu de ma phrase. Pourquoi tu m'as raccroché au nez? Pourquoi tu m'as raccroché au nez?